this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious snack using potato and butter. I mean, who doesn't love the combination of potato and butter? It's gotta be good, right? Yes, it's amazing. And it's amazingly easy to make. So, let's get started. Okay, first we are gonna cook the potatoes. I'm going to show you how to do it quickly using a microwave oven. First, lay a sheet of plastic wrap on the table. Then soak a paper towel in water and then lay it on the plastic wrap. Then place washed skin-on potatoes on the paper towel and wrap the potatoes with the paper towel. Then add another layer of plastic wrap on the top and cover the potatoes and the paper towel completely with the plastic wrap. And pop this in the microwave oven and cook it at 500 watts for about 7 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. The wet paper towel will keep the potatoes very moist while they are cooked in the microwave oven. Once the potatoes are completely cooked, take them out of the microwave oven and remove the plastic wrap and the paper towel. Now, we want to make the skin a bit crispy, so we're going to pop these potatoes in a toaster and bake them for a few minutes until their skin becomes a little crispy. While the potatoes are in the toaster, place 1 or 2 sheets of aluminum foil on the cutting board. Then place the baked potatoes on the aluminum foil and use a knife to cut an X across the top of each potato. Then shape the aluminum foil into a bowl to sort of gather the potato pieces and hold them in place. The aluminum foil helps to hold the shape of the potatoes as well as keep them warm. Then sprinkle a generous amount of salt and place a generous amount of butter into the incisions of the potatoes. And we're done! Let's transfer this onto a plate and eat! These potatoes gave me a foodgasm. They were so moist and soft and melted in my mouth with the butter. And the crispy skin gave a nice contrast of texture. It's not the healthiest food in the world, but it's a nice treat I like to indulge in once in a while. So give it a try and let me know how you liked it, okay? And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video.